Hello, this would be a video of my final Python project for programming class in fall 2021. My name is Huong and my student ID is 124-18024. So in this video, I'll be illustrating my project to use simple machine learning in Python to predict the price of iPhone. This idea is based on a video from a YouTube channel called Programming Hero. So in this project, we would simply using Python to create a linear regression graph based on the price of the previous version of iPhones and predict the new iPhone price. In order to do this project, we would need to import 3 libraries. First is pandas. We need this library to read the files or the raw data file from a CSV form to a format that Python could understand. The second library that we need is matplotlib. We need this to illustrate the data either in scattered or any graph, but we will need this library pretty much for illustrating all the data. The last library that we would need is to make prediction models, and over here we'll be using scikit-learn. We can simply install all of this library using pip install in Python. So this is a copy of my full code. I'll be illustrating it using the code that was provided in the video. Doesn't really have that one line that I'm adding here. This is due to the fact that my computer somehow were not able to create a virtual environment, and after getting some help from Stack Overflow, I added this so that this code can work well. So the simple principle is that we first need to import all the library that we need. Also over here we have pandas, matplotlib as we just said, and from matplotlib we would need to import pyplot, and we'll give it a short name as plt. And then from scikit-learn we would import the linear regressions. So first we would need to start with reading the data. So I did not put the data in this folder, so I'll be giving it a file path here. First we will need to read the data to see what happened. So if you do play this, we could see that this is the number of the version and the price that we may have. And then if we move on to make a scatter graph, this is how it would look like. Oh, that. Okay, so this would be the plot that we'll be looking at. If we want to move on and to make a regression model or to predict the price of the next iPhone in the future, say iPhone 30, the price would be changed. Okay, so the price would be $2,511 roughly. We can just change the number of the version over here. And it will come up with the new price. So that will be the end of my project. Thank you for listening.